Namaskaram. Now I'll teach Krishnasana. Krishna means Lord Krishna. This asana resembles the some game position of the Sri Krishna, Bala Krishna. Hence the name Krishnasana. Who should not do this? Who has undergone recent joints surgery like back, knee, elbow joints, wrist, etc. They should not do this. And person who has undergone bypass surgery should not do this. Pregnant ladies should not do this. Women during menstruation should not do this. This asana gives joint exercise to all the joints of the body, reduces excessive fat, controls cholesterol and sugar level in the blood. This is an essential asana for a hernia. This asana prevents hernia because it's going to pull the intestines like anything. This asana cures the genital problems. So this asana helps in treating genital diseases. Now I'll show you Ekapada Shirshasana first stage. You should learn this. Then you can do Ekapada Shirshasana. After that you can do Krishnasana. First you should take your left leg like this. You should stay for 60 seconds with a normal breathing. You should practice for a week. You should get flexibility of the joints, mainly hip joints. After 1 week, try to take your left leg like this. You should practice this for another 1 week. You should stay like this. Then inhale, come to the resting pose and relax. First position is like this. This is 1 week practice. Next, I should take the leg on the head portion like this. This one is 1 week. Now 2 weeks are over. After that, you should try to keep your leg on the shoulder like this. Namaskaram Mudra. You should practice for 15 to 30 seconds according to your ability. You should learn this properly. Ekapada Shirshasana. After learning this, you can learn that Krishnasana. After getting this position, you can do that Krishnasana. I'll teach now. Now, I'll show you Krishnasana, first stage and second stage. Observe carefully. Apart the legs. Keep 2 to 2.5 feet distance between the legs. Turn the legs sideways to the left. Keep your arms in a horizontal position. Exhale, bend the right leg like this. Exhale and take the arms between the legs. Stay for some time. You should practice for 1 or 2 days. Then exhale and take the head between the legs. Keep the head on the ground. Then fold the right leg like this. Then inhale, come to the Tadasana pose and relax. You should practice in a sequence. Then you should repeat the same thing on the other side. First I have done first stage. In the final stage, you should take the head between the legs. You should place your opposite foot on the cheek. I'll show you opposite side also. Practice Krishnasana properly and get all these benefits. Follow the tips which I have given. Should have patience to learn. First week, first stage. Second week, second stage. Third week, third stage. Fourth week, final stage. Practice in a sequence. Follow the tips and get all these benefits. Happy time.